Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the top investing apps that every investor should have on their phone. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys get anything of value, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course. And you guys can use promo code Dividends to get 50% off, so at least check it out. So now, let's jump into it, roll that intro, let's go. Bam! So now there's a couple of reasons why I love investing apps on my phone. The very first reason why is because I want to stay updated with all of my stocks. And as an investor, each day in the market's different. You know, there is no day that is the same. And I think this past year really proved that. So it was always smart to kind of have an app or, you know, be able to stay updated on all of your stocks. And what's really cool is you can have notifications sent to you. And so you could be out on the go and not even paying attention. And then ding, oh, Apple's announcing their earnings and the stock up 2.5%, because it's always smart to stay updated with all of your investments. So now another reason why I love investing apps on my phone is because I want to be able to find certain investments, and if I'm not actively in tune with the markets, I could miss out on opportunities. So that's why I do have a couple of apps that will actually send notifications, make sure all my alerts are on, and so I can make a lot more money still being out on the go. And I don't have to actively be at my main desktop to buy and sell certain positions. So now that we kind of got a good understanding of why you should have investing apps on your phone, let's talk about the top investing apps that every investor should have. So me personally, I think it's always smart to make sure your broker has an investing app, because yes, there's some brokers out there that actually don't have apps. So me personally, I use M1 Finance for all my long-term dividends. I have a growth portfolio and all my IRAs. So the reason why I honestly use M1 Finance is because they are commission free, they are fee free, and it's a very easy way to invest for the long term. They have DRIP, which is dividend reinvestment, so I can always count on dividends coming in and automatically getting reinvested right back into those companies. Not to mention they have what you call pie investing, so this is an easy way to actually diversify your account, because normally with an account you actually have to tell them, oh, I want to put $1,000 in Apple, or I want to put, you know, $20 in Amazon. But the thing about this is you can actually say, here's all the stocks I want, give them certain percentages, and they will handle everything else for you. So I do have 3 accounts with them. I have a long-term dividend account, I do have an IRA account, and I do have a pure growth stocks. So these growth stocks are going to be definitely high risk, high reward, and that really proved over the past couple of weeks. My account has actually exploded up because I did call out Lemonade, and now that stock's up 186%. So it's always smart to have a couple of accounts that understand diversification, risk, and reward. So now the second app that I do have on my phone is Thinkorswim. Now this is another broker with TD Ameritrade, but why I have Thinkorswim on my phone is because this is actually how you guys can find certain stocks. And not to mention the charting on this is super sweet. This is the charting right here. That's what I always have, and that's what I always will show you guys is Thinkorswim, because the charts are phenomenal and they have a scanning feature so you guys can actually find certain stocks that meet your criteria. Not to mention you can have it set up where it notifies you if a certain stock hits a certain price point or a moving average line or resistance. However you set it up, you can get notifications sent to your phone. So that's really, really cool too, because if you're out on the go, you can actually still place trades, which is awesome. I would recommend Thinkorswim for pretty much anybody who is getting started into swing trading and even some long-term investing, because they do have some IRA accounts on them. But honestly, Thinkorswim is amazing for swing trading. That's what I would recommend. So now the third app that I do have on my phone, and I think every investor should have, is Yahoo Finance. This is actually how I get some news sent to my phone too, from some notifications. And what's awesome about this is you can pretty much put in your portfolio, and any news or any articles you can automatically get sent to you, so you can always stay updated on all of your positions. This is really cool too, and what's awesome, you guys can set up a simulated account, and it's just a really, really cool thing. They do have a mobile app, and you can actually find them on Google, on yahoofinance.com. But this is perfect for staying updated on pretty much all the stocks in your portfolio, and to stay updated on the markets. So now the fourth investing app that I do have on my phone is CNBC. Now, really the main reason why I have this sent is because they will send notifications to my Apple Watch when I do wear that. So if I'm not actively on my phone, I couldn't really figure out a feature for Yahoo Finance to send it. Maybe there is, I'm not 100% sure on it, but that's why I have CNBC, so I can get updated on my Apple Watch. So now the fifth app that I do have is Cash App. And I know a lot of you might be saying, well, Carter, why are you having Cash App as an investing app? Well, one, you can buy and sell certain stocks on it for only $1. So if you're somebody who is just getting started with investing, Cash App is a really cool place to start. And the second reason why I have it is because this is where I actually buy and sell Bitcoin. So lately I've been pretty heavily investing in Bitcoin, and I'm up a lot because I did start when Bitcoin was at around $16,000, and now it's almost at 30. So I've almost doubled my investment, and I use the Cash App to actually buy and sell Bitcoin. So now the sixth and final investing app that I do have is MarketWatch. Now the reason why I have MarketWatch on my phone is because they do have a beautiful simulated account, and you don't have to spend any money on it. It's completely free. And you guys can invite like friends and family, so you guys can have like a little mini game and see who's the best investor. So really, those are the top investing apps that every investor should have. But at the end of the day, it's all about picking and choosing investing apps that really meet your goal. Me personally, I don't use Robinhood, I don't use Acorns, I don't use any of those because Acorns, the fees are too high for the long run, and on Robinhood, I just really don't like their platform, and I know a lot of beginners do, and I would recommend it for you guys. But honestly, it's all about picking and choosing certain investing apps that meet your goals, because if you guys are a long-term investor, you may have a different apps than people who are swing trading or day trading in the market. So it's completely fine, but have a nice solid base of some apps that you guys can always count on for some news, some notifications, and it's always awesome to have your broker have a mobile app. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them in the comments, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, guys. Bye.